Welcome back. Today we're going to cut radiuses on the end of the rails for the skid. Got a template for that. It's an 8-inch radius, one on each end of the rails, and we'll be cutting them out with a jigsaw and doing the relief cuts and then cutting the profile, then finishing it up with the belt sander. So here we go. Let's look at some parts. Got a cylinder head, a couple igniters here, and another gasket to look at. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so this is the cylinder head for the Mogul. It's about 40 pounds. Pretty simple cylinder head, no valves or anything in it. It is wet. It does have a water jacket in it. I don't know if you can see or not, there's a little imperfection right here I circled. It's actually from the casting process where they held the core, the sand core inside for the water jacket, and that's all the way around here. There's several of them. This hole is for the igniter. It goes in here like this. This is the igniter for this engine. It's a mechanical spark plug. So it snaps the points open and closed, and when they open it sparks. With a magneto system like this Mogul has, the points are held closed and momentarily opened and then closed again. For a battery and coil engine, they would be held open. They would close momentarily and then open. This is a more complete igniter for a Mogul. It's got a spring on it for spring return. So this one obviously needs some work. This is another manufacturer's igniter. This is for a United or an Associated. And it's similar in design. It's got a spring return, a trip mechanism, and it takes battery power to the points, and then snaps closed. In this case it's held open and it would snap closed and then back open and it would spark then. And then this is a gasket. This is the head gasket. It's another crush gasket, copper gasket for this cylinder head. So it goes on the other side here like this. That's a few more parts of the Mogul. Okay, another video done. Got the radiuses cut for the skid rails. 4 of them took about an hour a piece, so about 4 hours to do that. Wasn't too bad. I suppose I could have used a bandsaw, but I don't have a bandsaw. So I used the jigsaw and then just used the belt sander to final shape them. I think they turned out pretty well. So next video we'll work on the bolts that go between the rails and hold the skid together, and we'll work on the tie down bolts that are for cargo tie down of the skid. They have some rings on them. So Ike here says like and subscribe and leave me a comment on the video. Thanks for watching.